That's not good. And that is a fail.
Wait, did the engine go through it?
It melted through.
It melted through.
Yeah.
Did it melt through the launch pad or something?
Yeah.
What? Oh!
It'll melt.
It melted
it'll melt
through
but
our launch pad.
It'll melt through, but wait a second. This is too stuck. It was stuck on here. Look. It was over here. That's why. You can if you put up again onto this way, it'll fly up. Change the engine and redo it. Change the
We
engine.
don't have
And
the
redo it.
engines down on the beach. That's fascinating. I have never had that.
You guys got stuck on this part. So next time, hang it from here because it was not moving up.
And we might want a new launch pad.
Right.
No, it's gonna make a hole every time.
Yeah.
It's gonna every time you do it, it's gonna make a hole.
Yes, this one.
Yay!
I should warn you guys that this one has never actually employed the parachute successfully. It's not for lack of trying.
Imagine you started like freaking out and flew over and exploded on the lifeguard tower.
No parachute on that one. That one loose enough?
That was funny. That one melted. That was like.
Every time,
And then
every time you fire it, it's gonna melt through. Every time you fire it.
Really? I've never had that happen before.
Really?
Yeah.
All
Yeah,
mine
just small engines, that's what.
all mine would melt through.
I mean, these are only like B engines.
They're small.
Last time we launched off 2 Cs, but for the most part it's just Cs.
Try the G's, try the D's, and try the refueling ones. I have mine,
What's the
mine were- I
biggest
can
rocket
refuel
you
myself.
can get for it?
What's the biggest I've used?
Yeah.